Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench and wait 10 minutes to let the airbag capacitor discharge. This reduces risk while you work. Position the steering wheel centered and mark alignment to preserve clocking. Wear eye protection, then remove the horn pad by prying off trim clips with a flat tool and removing 2 access bolts behind the wheel using a 10 mm socket. Keep fasteners organized in a tray to avoid losing the small screws and clips. Remove the 2 bolts behind the wheel with a 10 mm socket to release the airbag module. Pull it forward gently so wiring remains intact. Unplug the airbag connector by lifting the safety tab, then detach the horn switch connector separately to avoid stressing clips. Set the airbag on a padded surface with the front face up to prevent damage. With the pad removed, inspect the horn contact plate and wiring for corrosion or broken snaps. Before continuing to the underhood horn, open the hood and locate the horn on the radiator support or behind the grille. Most Corolla horns mount with a single bolt retained by a 12 mm nut. Disconnect the electrical connector, remove the mounting nut with a 12 mm socket, and swap in the new horn. Reuse the ground and mount hardware, tighten the 12 mm nut snugly, then reconnect the horn connector. Reinstall the horn pad and airbag, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and test the horn with the steering wheel centered to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.